really a lot of trash. Found a mechanic who was open and he will fix what it hopefully is the problem, but he can fix it at 5, so we will spend the day here in Mazagon, right? Mazagon, yeah. Here on the beach, quite a lot of trash, so little beach cleanup going on. Apparently, this is the
tongue-eating parasite.
The tongue-eating parasite.
Yeah, is it?
Ugh.
What the f?
Think about this eating your tongue.
Yeah, replacing it.
Replacing it. Whoa. The mechanic couldn't give a solution to our problem, so that's why we have to stay here one night, and tomorrow we go to another mechanic because his mechanic garage is already full. But good thing about it is we can make a little skimboard session with a beautiful sunset. Turn the camera. This is Niki trying to catch a crab with his own hands. With his bare hands, he caught a crab.
Geil, Digga. Guck mal, noch nie eine Krabbe gefangen, Mann. Noch nie, Digga. Noch nie.
Yes, nice. We are at the mechanic again. The problem is they also don't exactly know what to do. So we really hope it will be fixed. Otherwise we have to stay longer here. How are the stomach aches?
Still there.
1 hour later.
Ja, du machst das gut, Niki. Yes. Unfortunately, the mechanic couldn't fix our problem or Niki's van's problem, but he could tell us that it's nothing with the engine. So that means we are now on our way to Portugal again. After this bridge, we will be in Portugal.
Ja, Bro, nicht gut, nicht gut.
Was?
Das hört sich nicht gut an. Gerade.
Shit. We have a new sound that doesn't sound very good. But let's hope it's nothing bad. But let's stay on the good things. We are in Portugal. The sound unfortunately returned again. It's a very annoying sound. I hope there is no other thing wrong, but it's not. Wow, so green, so crazy green. Yeehaw. We arrived at our destination and it's beautiful weather.
So unfortunately it's super windy and the waves are shit, so we decided to fly our kite again. Sehr gut.
Today it's finally time to go partying again. First time in 2 months. I stopped drinking alcohol though. Will be strange. First time no alcohol and partying, but we will see. I think it will be fun anyway. Unfortunately there are no buses anymore and I am in Sagres, so I have to hitchhike to Lagos. Let's see what the evening will bring.
You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Driving home after 10 hours of partying. Woo! I am right now in Al-Yezur waiting for my bus to Arrifana because I have met a guy who offered me to stay in his house at Arrifana. As well as coming in quite well. So yeah, a little surf trip to Arrifana. Maybe even the Point Break kangaroos works, so I'm super stoked. I have to say the bus services or just the public transportation in the Algarve, not the best, but it's manageable to get around, although you have to plan in a little bit of time. For example, from Lagos to Arrifana there is only twice connections a day, but at least there is a connection. Arrived in Arrifana and the waves are looking pumping. Super excited for tomorrow.
What's up, Thibaut? I'm making a vlog. Or not?
Maybe Timo, it's there, I don't know it. I stole the phone for Timo. Kangaroo is not so bad. Dun, dun, dun. Where you are, Timo? You don't have waves, Timo. Let's go.
Yeah, I bought myself an old skimboard for 20 euros and now I first have to prepare it because the wax is super old and the grip pad is also quite done. Yeah, this will be my tool, a very professional wax remover. Almost done, eh? Or not. I got some reinforcement, we are getting there. Reisen, reisen, reisen.
One eternity later.
Skimboard is ready. Now let's go for a ride. Bruh, that's some big waves to want someone out. So yeah, we will try it here. First time skimboarding on this. Let's go.
Take 35.
Something about that. Well, this is good. Yeah. The skimboard session was fun. Arrifana is not the best spot. There were also quite a lot of rocks, but yeah, we had fun. It was a good first time, and now it's time to enjoy the sunset. Woo! So yeah, next time you see this.
The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The
subscribe to my channel, hit the notify button below, and I see you next time. Bye guys!